Experience the pinnacle of American luxury and performance with the 2026 Cadillac Escalade V SUV. A bold, commanding vehicle that redefines what it means to drive an ultra-premium, high-performance SUV. Cadillac has taken its iconic Escalade to the next level by fusing cutting-edge technology, lavish interior appointments, and heart-pounding V-Series performance in a package that's both elegant and ferocious. Under the hood, the 2026 Escalade V boasts a hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, delivering a breathtaking 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque. This power plant, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission and performance-tuned all-wheel drive, propels the Escalade V from 0 to 60 mph in under 4.5 seconds, an astonishing feat for a full-size luxury SUV. Whether you're cruising, on the highway, or launching from a standstill, the performance is both exhilarating and smooth, with a throaty exhaust note that lets everyone know this is not your average SUV. The exterior design of the 2026 Escalade V is muscular and refined. It maintains the unmistakable presence of the classic Escalade, enhanced with V-Series styling cues like an aggressive front fascia, unique grille design, aerodynamic side skirts, and 22-inch sport wheels. From the first glance, it exudes confidence, blending sharp angles with premium finishes that make a powerful visual statement on any road. Inside, the Escalade V spoils its occupants with a level of comfort and innovation that rivals any luxury vehicle on the market. Premium leather upholstery, natural wood trim, and refined metal accents elevate the cabin's atmosphere. The curved OLED display stretches over 38 inches across the dashboard, offering crystal-clear visuals for the driver's information center and infotainment system. Cadillac's AKG Studio reference sound system with 36 speakers creates an immersive audio experience, while ambient lighting and advanced climate control enhance comfort for every passenger. Tech lovers will appreciate the latest version of Cadillac's Super Cruise, a hands-free driving assistance feature that now supports automatic lane changes and expanded route availability. Passengers in the rear are treated to their own entertainment system with large displays and HDMI inputs, making long trips more enjoyable. Connectivity is seamless with 5G capabilities, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Amazon Alexa. The 2026 Escalade V isn't just about speed and luxury. It also offers impressive utility. With 3 rows of seating and generous cargo space, it effortlessly accommodates families, adventurers, and professionals alike. Adaptive air suspension and magnetic ride control ensure a smooth, responsive ride on any terrain, while advanced safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and night vision provide peace of mind. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade V is the ultimate expression of Cadillac's performance and luxury legacy, offering an unmatched combination of power, sophistication, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're behind the wheel or riding in the back, the Escalade V delivers an experience that's both thrilling and refined, making it one of the most desirable SUVs of its class. For those who demand the best of everything, performance, comfort, innovation, and presence, the Escalade V stands in a class of its own.